everybody, so I have a small haul from Home Depot. Kind of want your guys' opinions on a couple of the items I picked up, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up a couple items from Home Depot. I also went to the nursery. So I picked up a couple box cutters, and this one I picked up because it's a 2-pack for $14.97. I grabbed this one because it was a lot more thin profile. I have an older Fat Max model, and it looks like Home Depot has the Dewalt version of this Fat Max. My problem with the Fat Max is that it does take force right here. It takes force to open, but it's too bulky, in my opinion, for certain things that I've been using it for. So I grabbed the Dewalt, this version, which is thinner than this guy. And I grabbed the Fastbacks. This one's like $9. This one's $14 normally. I figured, they're the press and flips. Figured I'd give them a try for, the fact that it stores 5 blades and it was 14 bucks. I got 2. And kind of guys want your guys' opinion. Do you guys like the Dewalts? Do you like the Milwaukee Fastbacks? Do you like the non-Fastbacks? Do you like the stationaries that don't fold? What do you guys like? And then I kind of wish you could find these 6-inch bits. At Home Depot, all you can get for the Milwaukee is the 6-inch Phillips #2. You can't get the T25. And the Dewalt has the T25 in the #2 in the 6-inch. My problem and what irritates me is I wish you can get the T10, T15, T20, and T25, and even the T30s would be nice in these 6-inch. If you guys know where I can get the 6-inch bits in a T10, T15, T20, T25, and a T30, let me know. All Home Depot carries for the Shockwave is the Phillips 2. And these are $6, and the Dewalts were the Max Fits. These were $4.97, these were $6.98. So Milwaukee's are a little more expensive. And the part number for the Phillips #2 and the 6-inch is 48-32-4802. The Dewalt's T25 in the 6-inch is Dog Whiskey Alpha 6 Tango X-Ray 25 Merrill Frank. The Phillips 2 is Dog Whiskey Alpha 6 Phillips Henry 2 Mary Frank. The Dewalt Auto Load Folding Knife is Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 10261. Says it comes with 3 blades, plus 3 blades. This guy, so you just slide off. Yeah, other than the little pop clip at the bottom. Just cut the pop clip off. This one folds a little easier. It's a little less stiff, but I also like, compared to this guy, the button is so tiny. Compared to this one, the button's actually quite large. Somebody with big fingers get their hands on it easier. It locks easier is what it seems like. Oh, this one actually has a storage compartment in it. That's nice. It does have a storage compartment on the bottom. And this one, the button actually works better. You push it down and slide. This one, you push down, but it's a lot more spring loaded. So this one actually has a nicer mechanism, but it's not as smooth as this one. And then this pack is 48-22-1503. And has the little pull tabs on the back. And they say durable wire belt clips. I do not believe that the wire belt clips are stronger than a solid piece of steel like these. I think these belt clips are stronger in my personal opinion. There's that one. There's that guy, I just pulled him out. Assuming this holds the blades, probably a couple blades. Yeah, a couple blades. It is nice. I do like that. It's very smooth if you're pushing the button. It drags if you don't push the button, but it is actually very smooth. I do like that. That is nice. This one feels like the handle's metal on this one. This feels like there's a piece of just the shell is plastic on the outside. This is nice and loose too. I do like that. That is very nice. Could be a little finicky, I think. You gotta push the button in a specific way. You gotta push the button about halfway. It's nice and smooth. These are this one's a little wider. So these two are about the same width. Yeah, about the same width. This guy is a lot thinner. It actually will fit inside this hinge. So I just picked up some more box cutters, utility blades, utility knives. I do have quite a bit of utility knives. I got a lot of the old style. This is the other Fastback that I have, which this one never ever is that loose, but this is the hook blade. It's not a bad blade. I think these clips are a little bit stronger than this clip, so they've definitely upgraded them. But just a quick video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I'm not gonna take these out of the package on video. I'm just gonna put them in the box. If you guys know where I can get a bigger selection of 6-inch bits, let me know. Out of the Fastbacks, do you guys like the Fastbacks, or do you prefer different types of blades? What do you like? Do you like the quick button release, or do you like these where you gotta hinge it? Oh, you don't have to hinge this one. You just push the button on the back. That's nice. I thought you actually had to hinge that. That's very nice. That's a bonus. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. At the very top of the description, I also have a Acme or an Ulsa Tools link. Sorry about that. If you guys find anything you guys need at Ulsa Tools, click on the link. It will save you 10% off of your order. and will kick me back availability to get 10% off my order. Do appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you guys so much for watching, as always. Peace!